Hi everybody, my name is Tommy and today I'm going to talk about a journey through your body. Well, now our journey starts with a grape in a box. A businessman comes there and opens the box. He takes a bite of his turkey sandwich and then takes the grape and eats it. To avoid the chewing, he actually, dodges out of the teeth of the man, but it's kind of like grinding food. Second, it goes to the esophagus, in which the grape sees, a fork in the road, of course, a road fork. And then suddenly he jumps into the pipe, which goes down into his lungs. The guy begins to cough and all, and another guy gives him a slap on the back, in which the grape jumps over to the other fork and travels down the pipe, the food chute, or the esophagus, into the stomach. Here, it wears a protective bubble because it doesn't want to be turned into grape jelly, and then hops into the acid that is in our body. Then it goes to the liver. The liver produces a type of thing called bile, which is created by the liver, and the thing floats across the liver until it reaches the entrance of the small intestine. The entrance of a small intestine has a wiggly part, in which if it is overheated or over dehydrated, then the doctor will actually cut it for you. This guy seems to have his. Lucky him. Then, out of the river of bile in the small intestine, it will go to the large intestine, in which in the large intestine, the grape may be changed into stool. But no, it has a protective covering, remember? So it goes through the large intestine until it reaches the anus. The anus waits till the correct time because it doesn't want you to actually go to the toilet when you're going to a date, going to groceries, at work, or driving your car. So when the correct time is given, the guy runs to the toilet and goes out. So the grape with a protected bubble comes out and it hops out of the water toilet before he can be flushed. That grape has a lot of other grape stuff to do. Lucky him, and he has some protected bubbles, so he's still perfectly safe. Let's go through a cycle again. First, we have the grape Gilbert, which goes into the mouth. Then it reaches a fork in the road, go to the esophagus or the windpipe. It decides to go to the windpipe, but the guy coughs, another guy slaps him on the back, and he goes down the esophagus to the stomach, in which he puts on a protective bubble to stop him from turning into grape juice, but the acid sliming him up and then turning him back and then turning him to stool. Instead, he goes out of his stomach completely unharmed and floats through the bile, which would have turned it into a part stool, but still normally with its protective bubble, and then goes to the small intestine, out of the wiggly river of bile to the large intestine. The grape, which should have been turned into stool, no. He was turned into nothing. He was still a grape. And then out of the anus he goes, in the correct timing, correct place. Not in his car, not at work, not when he was going out on a date, not when he was getting groceries, when he was at home. There. He's right next to the toilet there. Okay, so let's go on with a few things, or a few more facts about our digestive system, and which this journey is called. The digestive system is made up of completely organized elements: ACI, pepsin, renin, mucus, water, saliva, mouth, tongue, teeth, all sorts of components that make up it. The teeth here, the saliva, your grape Gilbert will go down through your anus which takes about 36 to 40 hours, and out of the anus he goes. So, now, today we've learned about the digestive system through the journey of a great Gilbert, and I told you a few more facts. The components inside the digestive system. So, if you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe for more updated video channels from my channel. Bye bye!